The secret to affiliate marketing that nobody talks about. Have you ever wondered why some affiliate marketers seem to succeed effortlessly while others struggle? What's the secret that nobody talks about? Hey, 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 it's Heather here, and today I'm spilling the tea on something crucial that I've learned on my journey to create multiple income streams with affiliate and network marketing. You're curious about making money online as an affiliate marketer, but don't know where to start. Well, let me tell you, finding the right products and services to promote might seem easy, but I've been fooled before by those shiny, fancy sales pages. They look all promising, but turns out the programs are outdated and just plain confusing. Before you jump into promoting a product or service, here's a little warning. There's more to it than meets the eye. I thought I was ready to take my affiliate game to the next level, but I quickly realized that that's not what I'm about. The only products I've successfully promoted are the ones I genuinely fell in love with before I decided to be an affiliate. And guess what? A lot of affiliate marketers get this wrong. Maybe it works for some, but to me, it feels backward. Put yourself in your client's shoes. Don't you want to know that what you're about to purchase is actually good, maybe even great? Don't you want to believe that the person promoting has actually used the product and thinks you need it too? I've seen YouTubers and others promoting products they've never even used or tried before. And those promises of earning money with just 37 minutes of work a day are garbage. Maybe not all products are bad, but it sure feels like nobody cares about newbies throwing around jargon that's hard to understand. And I get tech. I decided that I'm never ever going to promote a product again that I haven't used and loved just to make a buck. I was poking around on one of those affiliate platforms that we all know and love, trying to find something worth sharing with my list. After a lot of digging, I found many products were outdated. It hit me. Why am I wasting my time searching for new stuff when I already use and love certain products every day? I'm going to focus on 4 or 5 programs and services that I love and know inside and out. I'm going to share these with you. They might not be perfect for you, or they may be, and that's okay. Being educated is a huge part of being a great online marketer. Even if you don't purchase something I use, you might learn something valuable for your business. So, the secret to affiliate success: be consistent and be authentic. Don't promote something just for the money. Your audience deserves better. If all online marketers thought this way, we could all make a great living by sharing what we genuinely love. This has been weighing my heart, and I wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching as always. And if you found value today, I'd appreciate and love a comment or a like. And if you want to follow my affiliate marketing journey and learn about the resources I use to build my business that could help you, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.